Hello everyone. Today, I will talk about one of the most important functions in Excel, the if function. The if function has several steps. I will explain these steps from simple to hard with examples. The video consists of two parts. In the first part, I will explain the simple if and ifs functions. As you can see, this table lists the names of the students and their exam results. In the status column, we can find out whether students are passing or failing using the if function. To do this, we first write an equal sign, and then write the if function. Open the parentheses, write the first condition, if cell B2 is greater than or equal to 50 points, because the passing score for the exam must be 50 or above, comma, you must put quotation marks here to write in text format, passed, quotations, comma, otherwise, you write that failed, quotations. Close the parenthesis and press enter, and as a result, statuses were automatically written in each cell according to the scores. Here you can also assign statuses according to colors. For this, you need to use conditional formatting. Select the status column, then select conditional formatting at the top. Here highlight cells rules and click equal to option. In the space that opens, you can first write passed. It is usually better to choose green as the color. You can use conditional formatting again to color the failed section. Type failed in the space again and select red as the color and click OK. You can use this function with larger tables. It is possible that the text and numbers in your table are different, and you can use this in the if function as you wish. The ifs function in Excel helps us test multiple conditions and return a result quickly without writing long, complicated formulas. For example, our table contains stock information. Here, we can find the status of the products according to their stock count using the ifs function. First, write the ifs function in an empty cell and open the parentheses. First logical test. If B2 is equal to 0, this product is completely out of stock. That's why we write out of stock in quotation marks. Second logical test. If B2 is equal to less than 50, write low as the status, because there are less than 50 pieces of that product in stock. Third logical test. If B2 is greater than 50, we set the status to high. This means that the quantity of that product in stock is quite high. Close the parenthesis and press enter, and by clicking twice on the right corner of the cell, this formula can be applied to all cells. And you can see the full formula in this section as well. Thus, the products were separated by status according to their stock numbers. If you want to give statuses by color, you can use the conditional format again. Select the entire status column and go to conditional formatting. Here select highlight cells rules and equal to. Write the first status out of stock in the blank space. Since the stock is completely gone, it would be better to make it red. The same operation can be written in high and low states. Here, it is more appropriate to give yellow for low and green for high. As you can see, the statuses were given in colors. If you want to remove the status colors, use conditional formatting again. Here, go to the Clear Rules option. If you want to delete colors from the entire sheet, choose Clear Rules from Entire Sheet, and the colors were erased, and the table returned to its previous state. We have reached the end of the first part of the video. Thanks for watching. The video will be continued in the second part. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. See you in the part 2.